Hello everyone, this is Sam from 𝐦𝐨𝐬𝐷.com, and I've got here a very interesting little red Hijet Deck van. This is a little bit unusual shape of vehicle, but quite useful too. You can see it's like a four door car with a chopped off back, and that makes a little pickup bag. You can release this, comes right down like so, and you can put whatever you want in the back there. Tools, barbecue, hunting equipment, your dog, whichever you like. You can jump in there pretty easily, close that up, and that's it. A little window in the back. Inside, you'll see the seats are all covered with plastic. Now I think this van has been owned by the fire department, that's why it's red. But it's a 2003, it's only on 5,000 kilometers, which looks like, when you look at the condition, you can see the steering wheel's still got all this grain on it. The pedals, they're not really that worn. This mat is all good, and the seats are in excellent condition. They've got this cover on them, but you can take that off as well. It's got switchable four-wheel drive. The button for that's just there. Switch that off, turns the four-wheel drive off. Switch it again, turns it back on. Cigarette lighter, ashtray, air conditioning, and a heater, of course. 5-speed manual, 2 airbags, so you can drive around safely. It's got sliding doors on the back. Open that like that. That's how it looks when it's open. And 2 seats in the back as well. Got seat belts, 3-point, and you can hang on when you're on your way to put out a fire. So that's what it is. It's a really interesting little car. Not done many miles at all, only 5,000 Ks. It's about 2,800 miles or something like that. So it's going to make a good car for someone. And this is on its way to the States. If you'd like this vehicle, one like this, or you think you can make some money as a distributor of these cars for us in America, have a look on our website, 𝐦𝐨𝐬𝐷.com, and you'll see a lot more information on there. Thank you very much for watching.